How to buy LUX token. So this token came under the symbol of LUX. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the DRX account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token, as you can see, it's released 22 hours ago and it's increased by 15,000% in the last 24 hours, as you can see here. The liquidity here unlocked by 95%. That's good. That's been investment in the safe place. And also this token is trending number 6 in the screener. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address it's under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. So log into your accounts. I'll just log into my wallet. And now after that, click on swap here. I will just click on enable SOI. So click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana, of course, on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on it. And here type how much you want to buy. So here, as you can see, you'll be able to see how much you receive. So after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter. And make sure to read all of this information here. After that, click on swap here. And you will be able to redact it or redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a LUX token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.